Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here. Today we're gonna talk about why you should improve your copy skills even if you don't wanna become a copywriter. If you're a business owner and you write anything, you should listen to me right now. The main thing about learning to copywriting is that words are everywhere. In every single message you send, in every single call you make, even there's copy involved. Why? Because copy is taking the best words and using the right words in order to get a result, to persuade your buyer, right? So copywriting is basically learning how to sell, what are the best words to use, and you use words every single time you write one message, one email, your landing pages, anything you do related to your business, and even selling yourself. You're gonna improve how to sell yourself and how to sell your product to providers, to your clients directly, one-on-one. Even if you're doing consulting, you're gonna be able to communicate in a better way because you're basically learning about words and the right order, right? We are words architects. We are always looking for more power words, for more ways to communicate and give the message. So copywriting is one of the hottest skills out there that you must master if you're a business owner. And I'm gonna also tell you some other reasons. But basically, you are already doing copywriting. Every single message that you send, that you're trying to persuade someone, even when you're talking with friends or family, and let's say that you're talking about going to a restaurant, if you really want to go to the Italian restaurant, you tell them in a way that you know it's gonna work and you're gonna get better results. So copywriting is basically anywhere. If you wanna sell anything, you need the art of copywriting. That's it. It's everywhere, even though you don't know it. The second thing is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the strongest things you want to do in your business. If you have a personal brand, if you have any type of brand or any type of store, if you do any type of email copywriting, it's a really powerful way to improving without having to pay anyone, because copywriting is one of the highest paid skills there is, but you can learn it and you can learn how to interact with your own audience, and it's a really powerful thing. So if you're a business owner and you do the emails yourself, there's no one that knows your audience better. Obviously copywriters can learn it and they can do it really good, but if you want to directly connect to them and have more ideas and do more research and know your audience better, you should do your own emails. Okay, and in the art of copywriting you can learn some tricks, some formulas, then with time you become a huge copywriter and you don't leave so much money in the table. Basically, if you don't know copywriting, if you don't get yourself in any video, any course, anything to improve your copy, you're leaving so much money on the table. You can be making so much money that you don't even know, because people are sold through words, through videos, through audio. Every single video has a certain script, a certain way to say stuff. So copywriting is everywhere and you should learn it. And the third reason is, let's say that you have a huge business, well, maybe not a huge business, but you have an online business and you want to do a new landing page or a new sales page, and you pay a copywriter and you say like, okay, I'm gonna pay 5k to this copywriter because I want a really good sales page because my offer is so good and I want to just sell it and moon it, right? Skyrocket my results. And basically you pay this person 5k and you think, okay, he's gonna make me the best sales page ever and I'm gonna put it and it's gonna work and that's it. But it's quite different. The copywriter is gonna ask you a lot of things about your audience. He's gonna give you the result, the sales page, but maybe depending on the person, he's gonna be like, okay, here is the sales page, and there you go, that's my job, it's finished. And if you don't know how to do copywriting, you can't tweak it. And you know that the best technique, the best strategy is testing stuff, right? You need to test something, tweak it, test it again, do a split test, do all these things, and start tweaking your offers, your things, that if you don't know anything about copywriting, you're gonna mess it up, right? So if you really, really want the best results and scale your business, you need to know something about copywriting. You don't need to buy expensive courses, read 10 books. You just need to listen to the right person and have the right tactics. If you want to see more of these free trainings, I made a playlist with all the things that I've learned about copywriting for free. So if you're seeing this video, you are already in the playlist. You can go there and look for the one that fits you the most and see it. And also, if you want to take it to the next level, I made an ebook called Crucial Copy Skills. There you can see where I go deeper into some formulas, into some techniques that you can use every single day to improve your copy right now. Also, it includes a huge list of power words. There's those words that work in order to persuade people more and makes things, just gives like a spice to the things, right? It makes it more emotional, it works more powerful. And also I included a swipe file where you can get inspiration. There's like a lot of screenshots from calls to actions, from emails, from things that I've seen, funnels, everything that I've seen, so you can access it as an inspiration thing. So hope you helped, hope these 3 things help you out, and start copywriting, start scaling your business, and thanks for watching.